Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn index function with match function. First of all, let us see how to work index function. Index function is also used to search value. Then here use index. Here the first parameter is of array. You can select a whole data for array. Then you want value from which row, which column. Suppose we want value from third row and second column. Okay, third row and second column, that is Tony. Press enter. Here you can easily search value with the help of number of rows, row index and column index. But here we don't want this fixed row index and column index. For that purpose we have to use here match function. Do you remember match function? It's very simple function. Suppose here we use match function. Match function return the index or return the position. Suppose lookup value is from this cell and lookup array is with match function. You can say only either a single row or single column. Here we use suppose column. After that 0. Suppose we want value from 101. Then here the index of 101 is 1. Suppose the position of we want 105. The position of 105 is 5. Like this match function get works. Suppose we want a column number, then use here match. Lookup value is suppose again I select this cell. Lookup array is we want column there for horizontal, and match value is exact match. Okay, now suppose this column has value name, them. Index of name is 2 because I have selected this array, therefore name is at second index. Then instead of this fixed value we can use here, we can simply use here match function. Okay, before that let us going to create first drop down list of employee code. Go to data validation, select the list and select the range. Here is list of employee code. Here is the list of employee code. Then we want to select list of we want to select here columns. Again go to data validation, list and select range of column. Okay, we don't want employee code, we want name, department and basic salary. Then here name, department and basic salary. Now we want to search record through employee code. If we select the employee code and select the field name, then it will show the record. Okay, before that let us combine the caption. Simply write here equal to, we want the caption from this field G3. For concatenation we use and, then there is equal to. Okay, now suppose here we select name, then name equal to, department equal to, basic salary equal to. Okay, and here we have employee code. Then let us combine here index function and match function. Then here we use index function. Now again the array is this one. Okay, then for row number we don't want to assign fixed row number, therefore here use match function. For match function lookup value is of employee code. We want to be search value from this range. Okay, after that column value is as column field name or column name, therefore here again use match. Lookup value from this cell. Okay, value to be searched in this range. Okay, and for exact match 0. And then press enter. Now suppose we want basic salary of 103. Okay, let us see what happened here. uh, it will show 2. Basic salary is of index of 3. Let us see what happened. Ranges, our range is B1 to D1. Okay, here is range is wrong. We have to select range from employee code. Okay, now it is right. Here is the basic salary is 4000. If we want to search name equal to Tony, department, suppose we want department of 107. Here the department of 107 is sales. We want salary of employee having department number 107. Then here you can select salary. Okay, like this you can search, or you can make your search more dynamic with the help of index function and match function. Okay, you have also option of VLOOKUP, but if you want more dynamic search, or you want more easy search, then you can also use index and match function. Some people find VLOOKUP is easy, some people find index and match is easy. As per your choice, you can use any type of function for searching appropriate data. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.